I'm Dr. Peter Mancini. I'm a cardiologist in the Dearborn area. I have a question for you. There's a lot of changes going on in the COVID pandemic right now. Do you have any chest pain, dizziness, palpitations, skipped heart, racing heart spells? If you do, it's very important that you need to get this checked out, either with your doctor or a cardiologist. These can be concerning symptoms of very serious things. I know a lot of people are afraid to go out in public and not seek out health care, but these are very serious situations that do need to be addressed. So, again, if you have any of these symptoms, please get to your doctor or call a cardiologist to have these very serious symptoms looked into to make sure you're safe.
Go to our website, venocure.com, and schedule your appointment now. We will contact you as soon as possible.